All right, recap of today was not great. I hit my loss limit on my Top Step funded account, which is minus 1,000. I just was taking trades that are not, my general rules are, have your levels, look at the reaction at those levels, trade accordingly. I was trading nowhere near my levels. Um, so let's look and see the damage I did here. Let's see back here. All right. I can't see the executions. This is really annoying. Let me do this. Let's rename this recap. Cool. Let's get rid of that indicator. Okay, cool. Should be able to see my executions now. A little better. Okay, trade one. It looks like I went short here. This is, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. Okay, I was looking for us to kind of fall back into daily value. On my recap, I even talked about how I don't really use that level that much. But we had been up here. It was, it was a weak push up if you look at the delta comparatively. I just got chopped out here. My risk was really tight here. I think 10 ticks on two contracts, but what is going on? All right. Yes. All right. So that's this trade here to here. Let's see. Next trade was a long um, breakout of value was the idea. We were picking up some momentum. This candle looked good on the order flow. It just at this point, the market crude has been open. If you use NYMEX pit open, crude has been open 30 minutes. So literally, this was probably this was the opening candle. Um, the New York Open candle, 9:30 candle. So the momentum just got. Eventually, it did go up. I probably would. This would have probably been like a TP1 ish area here. My first profit's usually 15 ticks. 65. So I need to get to 80. Actually, I probably still wouldn't have even gotten that one. Lastly, we finally get the sell-off that I was looking for here. I let's see. I shorted here. Or no. This was the long. Okay, so right here. Finally get the sell off. I have a way late entry. I mean, look at this entry. Horrific. Comes back over VWAP, stops me out. I mean, honestly, the two of the three trades are just kind of amateurish. So, um, that's kind of the recap for today. I really didn't even want to make this recap. It was so bad, but honestly, that's how you get better. So, I'm glad I looked at it. Uh, you know, a constant reminder to stick to your levels. If you look at my pre-market levels, this had already happened before the market before I was even sitting here, but this was one of my levels. I believe it was in my pre-market plan, but I believe it was based off the bottom of the weekly developing value area, um, and some other confluence. I don't remember what off the top of my head. Um, But man, we came down here. Let's look at the delta. Yeah, I mean, just right out of that level. I probably would have got, I'll bet I would have, had I just been sticking to my levels, this area here is important to me. This is the composite value high. So I would have probably taken on this Heiken Ashi right here, right around this 0 delta level. I would have probably definitely taken a loss here, but